What you see here is a bridge. Obviously it's a bridge. This connects the southern part of Portugal with the northern part. Well, if you can call the southern part. There's a Douro River. Douro, if you pronounce it in Spanish. It comes from the Latin Darius. This was the Darius river, Darius Flux in Latin. The south was called Lusitania, and the north was part of Tarraconensis, which later was called Galicia. Okay, so this used to be a provincial border in the Roman Empire. And later all of this became part of Lusitania, which was later renamed to Portugal. Still looks good, doesn't it? Now, why am I recording this? It's not to promote this bridge. It's to show you that a bridge is a connection that makes the transfer of goods, services, and people easier. So a bridge has a function, financially, economically, and also nationally. In the spiritual, bridges represent connections. And when the enemy wants to connect to you, he will build a bridge through other people. And often the Holy Spirit will burn those bridges. Why? Because those bridges intend to transfer darkness onto you. And the bridge can be beautiful. I mean, the enemy will bring people with money, people with careers, people with families. The enemy will bring attractive people to you. Why? To bait you. So don't just look at the sight, because you don't walk by sight, you walk by faith. Christ will, from time to time, burn bridges. Allow him to burn them. Don't rebuild a bridge the Holy Spirit burns down. I'm going to repeat it. Do not rebuild a bridge that the Holy Spirit burns down. That's it for this video. Keep agreeing with Christ and be at peace.